219 Design is a product engineering firm based here in the Silicon Valley. We focus on developing products for our clients and solving complex engineering challenges for them. We have a team of engineers and designers that spans electrical, mechanical, software firmware, UI UX, and product design. And I think having all those disciplines under one roof adds a lot of value for our clients. Over the years, we've definitely run into just about every kind of communication problem that you can have with suppliers.
We spent a lot of time managing vendors, so sending a part out, saying, can we get a quote on this, and then waiting, a few days depending on what the workload is.
Since starting to work with Fictiv, we've seen a couple big things change. One is that we're actually able to take on projects with more complex manufacturing requirements than we would really feel comfortable taking in the past. We recently developed a drone for DuPont, one of our clients, that showcases DuPont's advanced Zytel nylon and some of their other processes and materials. Fictiv was amazing. They were able to instantly match our order with a vetted injection molding manufacturer in China that could work with this material and turn it around quickly. We were able to get tooling cut in about 2 weeks, and parts arrived here literally a week later, and that was really key in helping us hit our deadline so we could start integrating the drone and building everything up.
It's always a bit of a black box for us working here in San Francisco. On this project, we needed a whole new set of vendors and a whole new set of categories that we hadn't really worked with before. Fictiv already had that in place, so that was super helpful. The biggest value for me is how available the team at Fictiv is. For us, it's amazing being able to just walk around the corner 1 block away and have a conversation about our project. We haven't had that much with some of the other vendors we worked with, so it's just really great to be able to engage directly.
We're excited to continue working with Fictiv in the future. We think it's going to allow us to provide better outcomes to our clients, especially with more complex manufacturing requirements. And it's also going to allow our team to spend more of their time on the engineering that they're passionate about and that provides the most value to our clients.